Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook page quality red problem. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, we would need to check for the violation. So to go ahead and do so, go ahead and open up your page. And then once you're on your page, just go to the left panel and click on settings. Alright. Now, once you're on the settings tab, go ahead and find in the left panel as well, we have page details or page quality. As far as I remember, page quality was here. All right, if you're using a computer, just go ahead over to business.facebook.com. Again, business.facebook.com. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead over to the left panel and click on All Tools. And then just basically click on Monetization. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you'll be able to see the violations right here. Now, if you have the big appeal button, go ahead and click on Appeal or Request a Review button. So just go ahead and click on it and follow the simple prompts. And then when prompted to provide details, okay, be brief but polite. You can go ahead and type down, I have reviewed my content and I believe this restrictions may be a mistake. As I always aim to follow community guidelines. Okay, please review my page again. Thank you. Just like so. Now, if you go ahead over to your content section right here, let's say you've published a post, a reel story, feed, or a text post that has a monetary issue or monetization issue, you gotta want to click on that. Okay, click on the three dots and then delete the specific video. All right, and then just wait for Facebook right here to lift the suspension. And there you have it. That's just how simple it is to fix the Facebook page quality red problem. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.